In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text-to-speech to your Canva videos for free and in a simple way. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Canva's homepage. You'll find the familiar site waiting for you. If you want to create a new video, look just below the search bar. You'll notice an option labeled Video. Click on it to get started with a new project. Canva offers a variety of video sizes based on your needs. Feel free to choose whichever aligns with your vision. Whether you're aiming for a square video perfect for Instagram or a widescreen that fits YouTube's dimensions, the choice is yours. If you prefer to work with templates, you can scroll through Canva's library. You'll see a range of designs, some specifically available to Canva Pro users, but there are plenty of free options as well. Take your time to find the template that sparks your creativity. Alternatively, if you already have a video you'd like to work on, you can upload it directly. Navigate to the Projects tab on the left side of the menu panel. From there, select the video you've prepared. Once you've chosen your project, it's time to add some personality with text-to-speech. Start by clicking on the video you want to edit. Be patient as it loads, ensuring every element you need is at your disposal. With your video loaded, select the text element you want to utilize. This step is crucial as it provides the basis for your speech content. Next, look to the left side of Canva's menu where you'll find the Apps option. Click on it. In the search bar within the Apps section, type in text-to-speech and browse the offerings. Canva integrates with various apps, each with its own unique features. Feel free to explore and select the one that suits your needs best. For today's demonstration, we will be using an app called AI Voice. Select it to proceed. Now, it's time to type in the text that you want to convert into speech. Ensure that your script is clear and free of typos for the best output. After entering your text, select a voice from the available options. There's a wide variety, including different languages and both free and pro voices. Choose one that best fits the tone and language of your video. Once you've made your selections, click on Generate AI Voice. The program will then work its magic. A little patience is key here as the AI generates the voice for you. After this process is complete, your video will now include the engaging text-to-speech element you've added. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to integrate text-to-speech into your Canva videos without any cost. Follow these steps and you'll be enhancing your video projects in no time. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of what Canva has to offer.